In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit a PDF in Affinity Designer. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we first need to do is open up Affinity Designer, click onto File, and then click onto Open, and then find that PDF you would like to edit. So I'm just going to go and change my document styles here. So I'm just going to open this agreement sample. So from here, I'm going to load all pages and click OK. So as you can see, here's my PDF. I can control and use my mouse wheel key to zoom in. I'm just going to center this page. So here, if I want to go ahead and edit the PDF and put a signature in here, I can do so. Now, in order to edit, we can go ahead and click on these layers because every section is going to be layers like this. So I'm not sure why it's, yeah, so when I click onto it, it's going to change color. But if I want to go ahead and change this color here for sample agreement, I can go ahead and click onto that layer. And you can see I'm on that layer. We can go ahead and make this a different color if we like. So if I want to make it red, I can. Now also, if I want to go ahead and change the text, we can. So if I click onto purpose here, I'm going to zoom in and make it a bit easier. So I can go ahead and change this to another word. So I'm just going to put in test just for demonstration. You can also change the font as well. So if I go ahead and highlight that, I can change the font from Arial to say band shrift, and also we can make it larger. So we can make it 14 points or 16 points rather. There you go there. That's how to edit the text here and change it. Now if I want to go ahead and put a signature here, I can. So I can go to the pencil tool here. So here it is here. And then freehand, I can type in a signature if I want, like so. So yeah, basically anything inside your PDF you can edit inside of Affinity Designer.